Hello and welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this stick vacuum that is wireless. This is by this company over here, and we'll take a closer look at this stick vacuum itself. If you'd like to get the stick vacuum for yourself at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to open up the box for this stick vacuum and we'll take a closer look and test it out, go over all the specs of this vacuum and more. So here's a closer look at the packaging for this stick vacuum. What I should mention is it comes with a couple different heads for this vacuum. It also comes with a new filter as well that you can replace the old filter. It has many different settings for the height for this vacuum, and it's very easy to use this vacuum. It's very lightweight at only 3.7 pounds. It has an LED light on the front so you can easily see the dust and debris you're sucking up. It has two adjustable modes for different levels of suction. It has a really good quality suction with this vacuum, so it can pick up anything that you have on the ground, on hardwood floor, carpet, and more. Also, if you want to use the handheld version of it, you can suck up things on your sofa or chair as well. It has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 30 minutes on a single charge, and the suction power 26 kPa, which means it's on the higher end of suction levels. There's only a couple of vacuums that are a lot more expensive that will have higher suction power than this vacuum. This means that you can clean your entire house very well with a single charge. It works especially well on hardwood floors, linoleum, and similar types. You can use it for windowsills, curtains, etc. with the attachments that's provided with this vacuum cleaner. As for the noise level, it is very nice and quiet, not very loud at all. Obviously on the higher suction level it will be a little bit louder, but it's still quite quiet and won't startle anyone like your pets with this cordless vacuum cleaner. So this is my review of the cordless Laresar vacuum cleaner, a stick vacuum. It's very lightweight, it has a nice purple design, it's made of metal materials, it has a lot of functionality with it, so you can expand here the height of the vacuum itself. You can easily dispose of all the things you've vacuumed up in the dustpan here. There's a quick release button here, so you can easily take off the whole canister from the vacuum itself like this and bring it to your garbage can. So it's very simple, easy to use. It has the battery here. Easily remove the battery. It's a rechargeable battery. It takes a little bit of time to recharge the battery, and then it will last for about 30 minutes with this battery on the stick vacuum. It has a nice light at the front here, so you can see all the dust you're picking up with this vacuum. It has replaceable heads. It has a couple different heads as well for this vacuum. So if you want to go into tight places like in corners and so forth, you can use a different head for that. And then you can adjust which piece you have here. You can take off a piece here and you can vacuum on, say, your couch or your dog bed or so forth. It's great for hardwood floors, for pet hairs and so forth, so just little quick jobs. It's very lightweight, it's very maneuverable, very easy to use. Overall, it's a great quality stick vacuum, and I highly recommend that you check out this vacuum for yourself. If you'd like to get this vacuum at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this review by Pating Reviews. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.